In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find influencers to explode your Shopify store. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. This is where you manage the core parts of your store, including apps, settings, and marketing tools. Once you are inside the admin area, go to your settings, and then click into apps. This is the section where you can connect tools that help you grow your business more efficiently. If you are new to this area, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you can move through it quickly in the future. From there, head to the Shopify App Store and search for Shopify Collabs. This app is designed to help store owners connect with creators and influencers in a more organized way. When you find the app, install it and let it finish setting up in your store. This may take a moment, so give it a little time to load fully before moving on. Once it is installed, open the app so you can start preparing your brand for outreach. Next, complete your brand profile. This part is important because it helps creators understand what your store is about and whether your products are a good fit for their audience. Be clear when describing your niche so the right influencers can find you. Add your product gifting options if you plan to send items to creators for promotion, then set your commission rates carefully. Make sure the offer is attractive enough to encourage interest while still making sense for your business. A complete and well-written profile can improve the quality of the creators you attract. After that, open the creator directory inside the app. This is where you can search for influencers who match your brand. Use the filters to narrow down candidates by platform, location, and category. Filtering is important because it helps you focus on creators who are more likely to reach the kind of customer you want. For example, you can look for people creating content in your product space and targeting the right market. As you find strong matches, save those selected profiles to your outreach list. This keeps everything organized and gives you a short list of creators you may want to contact later. Try to focus on relevance and fit rather than just picking the biggest accounts. That covers everything you need to know.